Hello friends and welcome to the channel. So today I am going to highlight about the some important notification in the ISC, that is Indian Institute of Science. They called for the PhD admission. So mid-year admission they called. So they called for PhD research program and another one external regulation program, that is ERP. Okay, for the research program they called for the three departments, like three main classification. First one, science faculty, so who are related to the S&S, science and humanity, like biochemistry, economics and physics, mathematics, so they can apply in the science faculty. And who are related to engineer background, so engineering faculty they can go for. So for different stream they have called, like aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, electrical engineering. And next, faculty in interdisciplinary area, like the biochemistry, biosystems and energy sources, center of energy, and physical energy systems, climate changes. So different streams they have provided. So all these details you can go through in the description. In the description I will provide this PDF. You can go through the details. Okay. And the eligibility criteria for to apply these all the courses. First one, they should have the bachelor degree in the engineering and technology, and with a valid GATE score, or NRF or JRF is mandatory. And to apply in the science humanities, they should have the master degree in the science or master degree in the economics, geography, psychology, management, commerce, operation research, computer science. And also here also there should have the valid GATE score, or also NET JRF is mandatory. And to apply in the engineering faculty, master degree in engineering and technology with a desirable valid GATE score. So here it is an desirable, it means that the person, if having the good background of research, they can apply without the GATE also. Okay, so or the GATE candidates are mostly preferable here in this case, right? And then there are different departments and there for MBBS also it is there, and B Pharma, bachelor degree holder in physics, chemistry, mathematics, so with a valid GATE score, right? So what will be the selection procedure here? So selection will be based on the interview, based on the interview that will be conducted by the IISc Bengaluru. So there will be exam called National Entrance Test. So if based on the performance they will shortlist the names, right? So and again there will be reservation based on the Government of Indian rules. Okay, for SC, ST, PWD and different OBC caste, they have the reservation as per the Government Indian rules. Okay, now the application fee for general and OBC they have to pay 800 rupees. SC, ST, PWD they have to pay 400 rupees, and for ERP they have to pay 2000 rupees. So they can pay through different mode of online transaction, like it may be internet banking, debit card, credit card, through online you can pay. Okay, so the commencement is already started, means application is already started in the month of November 9/11/2020. The application is started, online submission, and the last date it will be next month, 6th December will be the last day of submission of the online form, right? So for that you need to visit the website, that is www.isc.ac.in. If you visit, then go for the PhD application, then you can proceed with the filling the application. Okay, so this is a mid-year admission 2020. So hope this information is helpful for everyone. So thank you for your patience and thank you for listening. Have a nice